I didn't even see this over here. No lie, this gotta be one of the cleanest CRXs I've seen in forever. And these SSRs are perfect for this car. The fitment's on point, the black paint is on point, the interior is absolutely spotless. This is so sick. You got the white one right here. This one's race ready though, so. Same thing, of course. You got the Ray T37s. You got the big brake kit though, at least. Stage racing spoiler. Mugen steering wheel. It's crazy how dated these interiors are. Like just that cluster alone has you feeling like you're driving in the 1980s. He has cassette tapes to listen to music. Literal cassette tapes. Two clean CRXs though. Fire. Now, I know it's hard to hear me with all them drums going, but I've been wanting to see this truck for a little while now. This is the Slate, which they've been debuting on Jay Leno a few times. It was big in the news a few months ago. It's supposed to be the new, I think Amazon has something to do with it, but a new kind of K car, but American. Super basic.
I would be able to tell you how.
Very customizable. You're able to just take pieces off, snap pieces on, change it to how you want. But I feel like this car may be able to do good in the market. Full bed lining. They actually look pretty sick. I like these tail lights with the little tail light covers. For a cheap car, the detailing is actually pretty damn nice, gotta be honest. Unicorn. In the world of GT3 RSs, you barely see these now. Oh shit, you got an Ariel Atom too. With a K-Series in it. In the world of 3 RSs, you rarely ever see these anymore. Yeah, I know, I always firmly believe E36 has got to be the best M3 out. And this is a perfect example. It's not cleanest, it's not the best, it's clearly gutted, no rear seats, no carpeting, full roll cage, got the wing risers, but this is just so perfect to me. I wish, and I can't wait till the day I have one of these. This car is timeless. We got some crazy Beamer colors right here. First we got this beautiful purple. I've seen this purple many times, and it is a beautiful, beautiful hue of purple. BMW did their thing with that one. And as you can see, coming into the frame is this F80 in mint green. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm usually good at deciphering paint and wrap. I honestly think this is paint. It might have came like this from the factory. And its interior is immaculate, dude. Look at that. All white. Tiffany seatbelts and Tiffany roll cage, Tiffany door panels, cluster, Tiffany steering wheel. I ain't lie, he did his thing. I can't tell you the last time we've seen one of these, but I'm gonna be honest, I used to never be a fan of these cars, and the more I see them, the more I've been loving them. This is so sick. Ford GT, white on red, OEM everything. This is another car that I believe is 110% timeless. The rim setup, the paint setup, even the interior. This is a timeless interior. Look how many clusters it has. This is such a cool car, and honestly, I've been starting to love them more and more. Check it out, my dude. I don't know if this is a real, actual Superleggera. But hey, listen. This is a cool ass E-gear. I don't know if it's just because it's blue is growing on me, or just because the whole blue and rim setup is growing on me, but I love this car. I must admit, it's a pretty cool Honda S2000. Specifically because it's red on red. The paint's pretty clean. Got the nice BBS, selling some BBWs, and clean red interior. I love these S2000s, but it's funny because they got a whole red car lineup. Red E36, red E46, red Porsche, another red E46, and last but not least, the GT3 RS. So these red color cars have been growing on me immensely. Usually I'm a blue kind of car guy. I love the color blue, especially on cars, but this red and the red Z06 we saw earlier were just too good to pass up. Only thing I don't like about this one, beautiful car, nice carbon. These brake calipers have to go. I don't know what it is with car companies doing yellow on red. McDonald's has effectively ruined that color combo. If there was one thing I'll do to this car, I'm changing them brake calipers first day. I literally was just speaking on this car. The GSF, ISF, RCF, but yet they canceled the LSF. I ain't gonna lie, I had to come back and get a t-shirt. That's sick. Literally like selling t-shirt and hoodies and then screen printing them on the spot for you. About to see how this bad boy comes out. Wait and see. There's another car we rarely ever see, and this has got to be my favorite Benz that is general release, I would say, because my favorite Benz is C1000, there's no doubt about it, but general release Benz for the last few years, these Black Series AMGs are just insane. They look amazing. The wing technology fits this car so perfect. The front splitter, everything about this car just makes it so savage. And if I had to choose a Benz to buy one day, this would definitely be the one in the garage for sure. Just the road presence on this car is just insane. And I feel like they're severely undervalued, and one day this car will be somewhere in the 750,000. I could be out of my mind, but I also may not be. It's cool too. If you look online, this splitter actually extends and comes out, and it has like it's like a whole kit. So it's kind of an adjustable splitter, but to the naked eye it looks OEM, like you can't even move it. This is so tough. Got a real life Aston Martin Valkyrie, and it's a Spider. I don't know whose this is, but it's one of the craziest specs I've seen. I've seen like 3 or 4 of them already. But this green is literally insane, dude. Reminds me of Midori green, but has a crazy pearlescent to it. Arizona vehicle dealer plate. You guys don't understand how special it is to see cars like this. And this is some of the only places you'll ever see it. It's a random Sunday morning at Ikea, and this is what we get.